How to use Klarna simple tutorial. Hi, welcome to another new video. And in this video, we are going to deep down about Klarna. Klarna is a platform where we can accept payments through Klarna, and also we can integrate this Klarna with our Shopify store and other kind of platform like WordPress, Wix, and Squarespace. So we can easily accept our e-commerce payment through Klarna account. So Klarna account create is very easy. Just follow the simplest way. Just click over here in sign in button. Just when you click on here, they will redirect you to the page where you can create a new account. If you don't have any account, just click on create account option. Once you click on here, they will give you the option to create an account. Just here you need to be paste your number. Once you will paste here, just click over here in continue, and then just follow the guideline one by one, and it will be really simple. Just don't be panic, just follow the guideline I provided in this video. I hope you love this video. If you find out this video is helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the like button.